Hey, what's up everyone? This is Aaron from Studio 3B. Today I was going to unbox and try a new cable for my stereo system, a AudioQuest Cinnamon 1.5 meter digital coax cable. I'm going to use this and I'm going to see if it's an upgrade from my current cable, which is a 1 meter Blue Jeans cable digital coax. So I've sworn by Blue Jeans cable for all my stuff. I have Blue Jeans cable RCAs. I have Blue Jeans cable, stereo speaker cable. I mean, everything is Blue Jeans cable for me. So, I was just listening to some comparisons. I tried the optical out on my Wim Pro, which is my stream box. I tried the optical out and I compared that to the digital coax. And I noticed a much more full sound on the digital coax versus the optical cable. And I thought to myself, well, I guess all digital cables are not built the same. Optical did not sound as good as digital coax. So I thought if I took it one step further and I were to try to upgrade the digital coax to something supposedly a little nicer, I don't know. I'm going to find out in a minute. Maybe I can get a better, fuller sound even further. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is unbox this thing, and then I'm going to try a sound comparison of the cable between the two of the same songs. So I'm going to try the song on the Blue Jeans cable coax, and I'm going to try the song on the AudioQuest Cinnamon Digital Coax. One thing to keep in mind, this is a 1.5 meter, and my old one is a 1 meter, so I don't know if that plays a factor, but also it's a different build, so that probably plays even more of a factor. You probably won't hear too much of a difference on YouTube, but I will do the best I can to show you this and demo it for you. So let's get to the unboxing. Looks like there was no tape on there. Comes in a very basic packaging. It's got a lot of specs on the back of this box. Very flimsy box. This just pops out of this flimsy plastic container. And we got some twist ties here. We got some twist ties. Just take these off right here. And there you go. It says it's 1.5 meters. It's pretty small, pretty thin compared to the Blue Jeans cable. There is the terminations. It says AudioQuest on it. I don't know if you can read that. And yeah, it's got some braid shielding on there. And other than that, it looks pretty standard. It's got some gold on the coax part of it. So let's see how this sounds. I'll do back and forth on the Blue Jeans cable and the AudioQuest.
Deep blue water sea, afraid of jumping in right now. But I'm where I need
Wow, guys. So I don't know if any of that came through over YouTube, but that was a significant upgrade. I did not expect that. Blue Jeans cable is a very solid build cable. They do great terminations. Their wire is very good quality and it's very reliable. But I think I paid like, I don't know, 20 bucks for this cable, or maybe 30 max, where the AudioQuest was charging about 100. And I thought maybe since it was 3 times the price, it should be 3 times the quality, and it was at least that in my perspective. So I was very surprised to hear that on the Blue Jeans cable, to me, it sounded grainy, and I didn't know that I was dealing with that until I switched to this new cable. It sounded grainy. It sounded like a lower resolution was coming through, like frequency and bit rate. It just sounded like that compared to what I was getting on the AudioQuest cable. Was seemingly like, I guess the word that came to mind was buttery. It just seemed like it had more smoothness, coherence, and like vocals. I was listening to some other songs like Pink Floyd's The Wall, and the vocals are just more lush and present to the song, and there's more smoothness to the song overall. It's less grainy, more higher resolution to my ears. So even though it's the same exact file, same exact song, it just sounded like a higher resolution. I don't know why. Maybe it just does a better job transferring the ones and zeros across the wire, but who knows how they do it. It was a good upgrade. I would give it a thumbs up. I would recommend the AudioQuest Cinnamon Digital 1.5 meter cable, and but I would also recommend the Blue Jeans cable. It is nothing to sneeze at. It is a good cable, but it's more of a budget solution. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you heard something like that on YouTube, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more audio and technology content.